Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our new poem of English 1.3 in the time of silver rain. The poem written by Langston Hughes. This poem is written by Langston Hughes is an inspirational poem. Let's see what a poet wants to say in this inspirational poem. See, students, he was an American poet, columnist, dramatist, essayist, and uh, he was born in 1st February 1901. Okay. See, students, in India, we normally follow, there are three main seasons, the three main big seasons: summer, winter, and rainy. The order is first we'll have summer season, and then winter, and then rainy. So, students, in this poem, poet wants to describe how the spring offers everyone spring effects on everyone's life. He described influence and effect of spring on flora, fauna, and on human beings. Okay, so let's start our new poem in time of silver rain. First, I am going to read the poem. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky as down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too in time of silver rain when spring and life are new. स्टूडेंट्स, एनिमल्स हो या प्लांट्स, इसके साथ साथ ह्यूमन पर भी इसका क्या इफ़ेक्ट होता है, वो किसके तरह से उनके अंदर एक न्यू एनर्जी आ जाती है. सो दिस पोएम टेल्स अस हाउ दिस ऑल फॉलोइंग दिस फील्ड विद न्यू लाइफ. मतलब ये सब जो हमें बताता है कि किस तरह से एक न्यू लाइफ आ जाती है. See, in time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. See, students, as we know, when it rains, when it rains, after raining, that spring comes, and as the spring comes, the new leaves comes on the plants, trees, even grasses looks like green. See, in the time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Means when the rain is starting, that time the plants and spring also come with after the rain, and after that the new plants, new new leaves comes on the trees, plants, flowers blooms, new flowers blooms, and means new life comes forward with spring. Green grasses grow. See, when uh, when the rain starting, and that time green, the grasses also looks like a green. We can see everywhere there is a greenery in nature. It seems just as flower blooms happily. See, and flowers lift their heads and over all the plain. See, and flowers also lift their heads. It seems just as flower bloom happily, means we can say that the flower is happy and it is blooming with happiness. So this all looks very beautiful. This is a very simple this is a very simple poem that tells us the importance of the silver rain. And silver rain means sea and flower lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. So in this poem, there rain is comparing with the silver, means it's looking like a silver. So this poem is telling us that about a silver rain. In the silver rain, it feels like a new life come forward. Means it feels like a new life comes forward. um, and earth brought new life, means earth brought new life again. It puts forward new life, and grasses are becoming more green. They are growing bigger and bigger, and flowers are blossoming. They are blooming, and they are lifting, flowers lifting their heads. And on the plain, means in the field, we can see the student. Field is like a plane. There is a everywhere there is a plane. So in the field, all over they are spreading wonder means surprise. So all over spreading wonder everywhere. Everywhere there is a new birth, and everyone is happy with this new life, feeling of new life in everyone's heart. So the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life, means this is the wonder of our life. It comes forward with new ideas, uh, new feelings, and new surprises. Okay, see the next stanza. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth means comes forward new leaves to sing, enjoy beneath the sky, as down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life, when spring and life are new. See here in the next stanza, poet is saying, in time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry. See, means when the silver rain falls on the earth, the butterflies lift their silken wings. Silken means very silky, like a silk. So you know that the butterflies are very uh, beautiful and attractive insect, and its wings are very silky. They are very silky. So in a sense, in their means butterflies lifting their silken wings, in the sense it is moving here and there. It is trying to catch rainbow. You know what is rainbow? Means in the time of silver rain, when the rain is raining, when it's raining, the butterflies lift silken wings. The butterflies lifting their silky wings to catch a rainbow cry. Means to catch a rainbow cry means a rainbow that when after rain you must have seen, it is a reflection of light. That's a rainbow. You see, did you see that the rainbow means a reflection of colors. There are many there are seven colors. It is a reflection of light of seven colors. New leaves coming on trees. See, and just as a means butterfly is trying to catch that rainbow. So it is flying here and there. It is moving because he wants to catch a rainbow. The feeling of that, there is a feeling that just as a that butterfly is trying to catch a rainbow. See, and trees put forth new leaves to sing. Just as butterflies are trying to catch a rainbow, and other side, it means the leaves are singing. Uh, the leaves are new leaves coming on the trees and looking like a leaves singing a song. And the leaves, which leaves comes on trees or plants, and these new leaves are looking like means they are like singing a song. That means people are happy. All over the people are happy beneath the sky. Butterfly, leaves, they all are happy. See, butterfly, leaves, they are very happy. Enjoy beneath the sky. As down the roadway, passing boys and girls go singing too. See, and means beneath the sky there are many things which are very happy, just as butterflies also happy, and the trees, leaves, new leaves comes on trees and plants. These are also happy. The plants are very happy. Trees are very happy, and new leaves comes on the plants. They are looking like they are singing a song, and see, on the road also, children who are passing through this road, they also are singing. With passing, they are singing a song because they are happy. Means children are walking through that road, and if we saw them, we realize that they are also happy. They are singing a song. See, a student singing a song word is showing that everyone is happy. See, singing means everyone is happy in life. That singing word is showing that everyone is happy, but it means literally they are not singing. Literally they are not singing means really they are singing. No, they are not. They are not singing, but they all are happy. They all are happy. The children who are passing through the roadways, they are uh, going. They are go singing with a song. Means they are very happy. They are looking very happy. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. See, means all is new. Flowers are blooming in pretty manner. Person is happy. Everything is happy. Means here everything is happy. Animal happy. Person happy. Flower blooming. Flowers are blooming in pretty manner. Person is happy. Everything is happy. Trees are happy. So happy, that's why they are singing a song. Means that because they are happy, so that's why they are singing a song. See students, when spring come everywhere, everywhere is greenery. So this what the poet Langston Hughes tells us, that how spring brings new life in within each and every person or thing. When spring comes, each and everything become happy. Not only person, trees, plants, flowers, flora and fauna, everything is become happy. So in this poem, silver rain is comparing with the rain is comparing with silver. Okay, so this is a poem about the spring, which brings new life in everyone's, which brings happiness in everyone's life. Spring comes with happiness, and new life started from the spring. So in this poem, the poet Langston just tells us that importance of spring in everyone's life. एनिमल्स हो या प्लांट्स हो, साथ साथ ह्यूमन बींग्स भी, मतलब इंसान भी, इसका इफ स्प्रिंग जो सीज़न होता है इसका क्या इफ़ेक्ट होता है, कैसे ये न्यू एनर्जी लाता है। और ये जो पोएम है ये हमें बताती है कि ये हमें बता रही है कि ये जो स्प्रिंग है ये हमारे लिए क्या न्यू न्यू लेकर आया है, न्यू लाइफ ये हमारे लिए लेकर आया है। सो this is a very beautiful poem and very easy poem. It tells us the importance of silver rain, and in this poem the rain compares with silver. It is looking like a silver, new hopes and new life. See here, लैंगस्टन ह्यूजेस के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है जो मैं रीड कर रही हूँ। लैंगस्टन ह्यूजेस was an American writer and activist who won many awards and honors for his work. He started a new style of writing poetry in which rhythm and spontaneous expression are important. In this poem, he describes how rain brings joy and life. See students, here is a worksheet, means question answer. Question number 1. Find the pairs of rhyming words used at the end of the lines in the poem. See, rain again, plain. Rain again, plain. मतलब कि हम ऐसा rain again plain. Heads spreads. Wings sing. Cry sky. And to new. Okay, these are pairs of rhyming words. अब देखना है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. फिल इन द फॉलोइंग ब्लैंक्स विथ रेफरेंस टू द पोएम. ओके, इन टाइम ऑफ रेन व्हेन स्प्रिंग एंड लाइफ आर न्यू, द बटरफ्लाइज लिफ्ट सिल्कन wings to catch a rainbow, cry and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky, as passing boys and girls to go singing down the roadway. Okay students, in this poem here is a new figure of speech, and the name of that figure of speech is alliteration. Alliteration means when same sound occurs at the beginning of two or more words in the same line, it is called alliteration. See, alliteration when the same sound occurs in the beginning of two or more words in the same line, it is called alliteration. मतलब कि एक सेम साउंड रिपीट होता है बिगिनिंग ऑफ टू और मोर वर्ड्स, मतलब कि 2 या 3 वर्ड जो आते हैं सेंटेंस में, उसके पहला एक जो साउंड होता है वो सेम होता है, उसे कहते हैं अलाइट्रेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर दिया है नैना नीड्स न्यू नोटबुक। अब देखिए यहाँ पर फर्स्ट जो लेटर दिया है वर्ड्स का, उसमें एक जो लेटर है वो बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है, एन। नैना नीड्स न्यू नोटबुक्स। ओके, फाइंड एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अलिटरेशन फ्रॉम द पोएम, कलेक्ट अदर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ अलिटरेशन। तो हम पोएम में भी हमारे अलिटरेशन ये के बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल हमें मिलेंगे। सी यहाँ पर ग्रीन ग्रासेस ग्रो, सी जी साउंड यहाँ पर रिपीट हो रहा है। ग्रीन ग्रासेस ग्रो, ये एक ही यहाँ पर आया है। सो दिस इज अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अलाइटरेशन। ओके, अलाइटरेशन इज फिगर ऑफ स्पीच एंड ये एग्जाम्पल है अलाइटरेशन का, ग्रीन ग्रासेस ग्रो। ओके स्टूडेंट, इस तरह से हमने हमारी 1.3 जो पोएम है वो कंप्लीट की है। दिस इज वेरी इजी पोएम। सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस पोएम एंड आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड अलाइटरेशन ऑल्सो। अलाइटरेशन के कुछ एग्जाम्पल से आप नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं, अदर पोएम से भी आप ले सकते हैं। बट स्टूडेंट, इसके पहले जो हमारा लेसन है ऑल इन वन, उसके जो क्वेश्चन आंसर मैंने अभी तक शेयर नहीं किए हैं वो भी आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ। ओके, उसके बाद ही आपने ये पोएम को अपने नोटबुक में राइट करना है। ओके, तब तक आपके लिए होमवर्क है कि आपने अलिटरेशंस के कुछ एग्जांपल्स ढूंढ के रखना है। ओके, थैंक यू।